Hey guys, Mac here. So welcome to today's topic. Today I'm going to talk about two things. Number one is comfort zones, breakthroughs, achieving victories, and second thing I'm going to talk about is many a times how you get certain signals from the universe around you. Why certain people come into your life and why you need to be mindful, conscious, cautious about certain people, certain messages that are coming in your life at certain point in time. And I'll make a quick connection about these two things in my today's video. So welcome to today's topic. So this is a topic about comfort zone. Now every one of us has certain comfort zone. Now I'll be the first one to tell you that I'm a victim of my own comfort zone in many ways, and I'm trying to move past that battle day in, day out. I'm trying to learn like a new skill, new technique, new strategy day by day to expand my comfort zone on a daily basis. But I digress, right? So let me talk about what had happened. So in the winter time, I had lost the remote car garage door opener. This is a new model. This is a new unit, and I lose it. Then I start reverting back to using the manual keypad that allows me to get inside my garage door. Somehow it stops working as well. Then I'm at a point where it is now or never. But then, having said that, I have a big mental block of two things. Number one is going on to Amazon, trying to find the remote that is going to be properly aligned with the unit, because the thing is that the unit that I have in my car in my car garage is a 25-year-old model, and I had a big mental block of finding the exact proper remote car garage door opener that will allow me to talk to that unit, right? So that's a big mental block. The first one is doing that research, learning more about this car garage door openers, what models are out there, which models have been working great and whatnot. So if you have done this kind of research on Google, internet, Amazon, that becomes like a rat hole in many ways. Unless and until you stay focused, it can easily become like a rat hole. And that's exactly what I was afraid of. And the second part, right, the second mental block that I had was even if I'm able to get the right unit, I didn't know how to make it communicate with that unit that I have in my car garage. So I had like two big mental blocks that I didn't know how to get past, and I didn't bother. I knew the car garage door had to get fixed, but I didn't bother because my old remote car garage door was working. As soon as it stopped working, I relied on my second level of comfort zone, which was the manual keypad. It stopped working. Now I'm at a point where I do now or never. It's like a make or break situation. Then out of nowhere, I see one tweet from Seth Godin. The tweet name was Hardest Part. Now Seth Godin, you may or may not know him. He's a very successful businessman, entrepreneur. He has created many companies. He has sold it off at bigger prices. His blogs have been rated as like top 25 blogs, and he's one of the most followed people on internet. And his tweet talks about the hardest part, and what it talks about was basically we tend to shy away from things. We tend to shy away from the hardest things, hoping that if we don't do anything about that, it will go by itself. We tend to shy away from the hardest things, right? Hoping that if you don't do anything about it, the hardest things will go by itself. And that's exactly the situation I was in. Now, maybe my ears were alert, my mind was alert. Maybe if I would have seen that message today, I didn't know, I don't know whether I would respond to it the way I responded at that time. So maybe my mind was alert, my brain was alert. And then I see some kind of light out of that tweet, and then I roll up sleeves. I go with like no excuses approach. I go on the Google, I go on the internet, I do like a heavy research, like 3 or 4 hours of research. I zero in on certain models. I buy this unit, and then the second mental block was basically learning how to make this unit communicate with my garage door unit, right? And there is a little trick that anybody can learn, which I didn't know. I had like big mental block. Is there is like a green button inside your car garage door opener. You keep it pressed, that allows you to communicate this small unit with that unit, and then boom, you are in business. Now if you ask me to install or replace new car garage door openers, I can do it in a heartbeat. So that is all about the comfort zone, and that is where I achieved that kind of sweet victory, sweet breakthrough, whatever you want to call it. And the thing is that the message, right, many a times many people come in your life. So my message to you is that just be mindful of that. If you are part of networking groups, if you are part of masterminding groups, if you are part of any other Facebook groups, try to be just mindful of, are there any certain messages that are coming in your life? Are there any certain people that are coming in your life for a reason? And be on the alert. I have started keeping myself alert, more proactive, and I'm really thankful for many people in my life. I'll not get into the name calling right now, because that is not the time. This is not the right time. But I'm really mindful of many people that have come in my life. I'm learning from all of them. That is allowing me to move my needle in the right direction. So, for example, this producing daily videos. If anybody has done videos, you know how difficult is it to produce daily videos on a consistent basis, day in, day out. So that is allowing me to learn more about myself, my limitations, my capabilities, my trigger points, my strengths, so on and so forth. So I'll end with this one. So maybe document a couple of comfort zones that has prohibited you until now. Coronavirus, this phase is a great phase for you to put your arms around some of the things that you always wanted to do, that you always wanting to do, but you never been able to do it. Maybe because you didn't have time, or maybe because you felt that is beyond my limitations. So try to document that, try to prioritize that, and then start tackling that one by one after the other. You will have to get yourself more adept. You have to probably learn more tips, techniques. You may have to go on Amazon to learn more about that, or you may have to go on YouTube to learn more about that. But unless and until, the only way you can get past beyond that is by tackling that. Unless and until you tackle that hardest part, you will never get away. You will never go away from that. You never will be able to shy away from that. So that's my message to you. Signing off for now. Have a good one. Talk to you later. Bye bye.